when I run. Please excuse it being a little dark. Working on an Sl600 Mercedes. The problem with was it B1082 code, if I'm not mistaken, or something like that, for starter circuit fuse blown. And if you look down here on the dashboard, underneath there was a stereo subwoofer in the way. You have power panel there, and then way back up there you have alternator and a starter fuse, which is the pre-fuse fuse box. Our meter there, one side of the fuse, battery power, and that's the top side of the fuse. And the other side of the fuse. So the problem is that blue fuse right there is no good. That is causing a crank, no crank, no start to the starter on this Sl600.